Hello everyone. I'm back because I wanted to share the card I finished using that floral from Tailored Expressions, the sketchbook florals. I ended up masking the floral and I used a Brutus Monroe stencil called Circle Tone. And I used a blending brush and I used Mermaid Lagoon Distress Oxide ink. I went over it maybe 1 or 2 times to add a little bit of shadow. I layered it with blue cardstock and added it to an A2 card base. So I think that came out good. I added some sequins and of course the sentiment I also embossed in the same gold embossing powder. So today I realized I needed a birthday card. So I used the Rabbit Hole Design Splish Splash stencil, which I love the stencil. And the Distress Oxide inks I used were Cracked Pistachio, let me see, Wilted Violet, and Picked Raspberry. And I used my Rabbit Hole Designs blending brushes. I have one for each color. Okay, so then I used Bristol smooth cardstock. I was eager to use this new tape from scrapbook.com. I got it free. I got a few of them actually because I've been placing orders. So then I used that. I masked so I can cut it out, and I did this design which I used for my die, an A2 blueprint sketch. I think it's 31, and then I used some banner sentiments from MFT Stitch Sentiment dies, and then I used the U Matter sentiment or sentiments and die. I die cut this U in black cardstock 2 times, and yeah, so I'm just going to add some sequins with you really quickly. I don't want long videos. I don't want you guys to get bored. Let me see. I like this glue for my sequins, on point glue. So I am just going to add a few of these sequins from they're from Trinity Stamps. I think they're called I think they're called Moonstone. I don't know if this really works for me, this little applicator. Sometimes I just use my hands because I don't really have the patience to be picking up sequins. I don't know if that's how you guys are too. I need to hurry up and get this. See, I gotta turn it around. I gotta put this card together, hoping to get it in the mail tomorrow. I also have other birthday cards I gotta make. I belong to a birthday Facebook group, and there's like 5. See? I like this glue, but right now I'm having a problem, of course. And so I don't know if I should just do 3. Lately I've been liking more sequins, but maybe I'll just add 1 more. So thank you for everyone who's subscribed. I appreciate all the feedback. It's not easy as I thought doing a YouTube channel, but I will try. I'm not going to give up. So there you go. So I will be back soon with another card. You can find this card on my blog soon with all the details. My affiliate links are in my bio on Instagram, my blog, and Facebook. I appreciate it if you click on those so that I can buy more product. Okay, enjoy your Sunday. Thank you so much. Bye.